I'm going to be making mini minion lime syrup sponges. What you will need: 125 grams of unsalted butter softened, 175 grams of caster sugar, 2 large eggs, a zest of 1 lime, 175 grams of self-raising flour, a pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons of milk, and a minion silicone mould. For the syrup, you will need 4 tablespoons of lime juice, which is 1 to 2 limes, plus zest for decoration, and 100 grams of icing sugar. Preheat the oven to the degrees shown on the screen. First thing you're going to want to do is cream together the butter and sugar into a bowl. Add in the eggs and lime zest and make sure to beat them in well. Now add in the flour and salt and fold in gently. Pour in the milk and mix in well. Spoon in the mixture into the minion silicone cases. While they are baking in the oven, mix together your lime juice and icing sugar into a bowl. Once your minions are cooked, take them out of the oven and prick them with a skewer, but make sure you don't go all the way through. Now drizzle your syrup into the holes and leave to cool, but make sure they don't cool completely, otherwise they may stick to the mould. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.